Top 10 budgeting apps that will help you stay organized, track your spending, and save for the future. Whether you're new to budgeting or a seasoned financial planner, there's an app here that can make managing your money easier and more efficient. Number 1, Mint. Let's start with Mint, one of the most popular and comprehensive budgeting apps. Mint connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts, giving you a full view of your financial life. It automatically categorizes your spending so you can easily see where your money is going. With features like bill tracking and free credit score monitoring, Mint is a powerful tool for staying on top of your finances. Number 2, YNAB. You need a budget. Next up is YNAB, or You Need a Budget. This app is perfect for those who want a proactive approach to budgeting. YNAB's philosophy is centered around giving every dollar a job, helping you prioritize your spending and avoid living paycheck to paycheck. It's designed to help you save more money and reduce financial stress by encouraging you to plan ahead. Number 3, Pocket Guard. If you're looking for a simple way to track your spending and save more, Pocket Guard might be the app for you. Pocket Guard connects to your bank accounts and shows you exactly how much disposable income you have after covering your bills and necessities. It's a straightforward tool that helps you avoid overspending and stay within your budget. Number 4, Good Budget. Good Budget is a digital version of the envelope budgeting system, which is perfect for those who prefer a cash-based approach. With Good Budget, you allocate money into different virtual envelopes for categories like groceries, rent, and entertainment. As you spend, you deduct from each envelope, helping you stay within your budget for each category. It's a great way to visualize your spending and ensure you don't overspend in any one area. Number 5, Every Dollar. Every Dollar, created by the Dave Ramsey team, is another app that follows the zero-based budgeting method. This means that you allocate every dollar of your income to a specific purpose, whether it's bills, savings, or debt repayment. The app makes it easy to track your spending and see if you're staying on target with your budget. If you're a fan of Dave Ramsey's approach to money management, this app is a great fit. Number 6, Personal Capital. Personal Capital is more than just a budgeting app. It's also a powerful tool for tracking your investments. The app connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, giving you a complete picture of your financial health. You can track your spending, set budgets, and even plan for retirement, all in one place. If you're serious about managing your finances and investments, Personal Capital is a top choice. Number 7, Honeydew. For couples managing finances together, Honeydew is a fantastic app. Honeydew allows partners to share financial information without fully merging accounts. You can track spending, set budgets, and even chat about expenses within the app. It's a great way for couples to stay on the same page financially and avoid misunderstandings about money. Number 8, Zeta is another app designed for couples, offering shared accounts and individual budgets. With Zeta, you can manage joint expenses like rent and groceries, while also keeping track of personal spending. The app also includes features for saving together and tracking shared financial goals, making it a great choice for couples looking to build a strong financial foundation together. Number 9, Spendee. Spendee is a versatile app that's great for managing multiple currencies, making it perfect for travelers or those with international finances. The app allows you to create budgets, track expenses, and even manage shared wallets with family or friends. Spendee's colorful interface makes budgeting a bit more fun, and its flexibility ensures it can handle complex financial situations. Number 10, Wally. Last but not least is Wally, an app that offers a comprehensive view of your financial life. Wally allows you to track your spending, set budgets, and even save for specific goals. The app is user-friendly and offers a range of features, from tracking daily expenses to planning for long-term financial goals. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, Wally is worth checking out. These top 10 budgeting apps offer a range of features to help you manage your money more effectively. Whether you're looking to track your spending, save for a big goal, or just stay on top of your bills, there's an app here that can help you achieve your financial goals. Download one today and take the first step towards better financial health.